about you and your family, if that is comfortable?
Yeah, my mother does job. She has own business of dresses, ladies wear. My father is in market, and my elder brother does a job in IDFC First Bank. And my younger brother is also in the college.
Good.
Currently, I'm also trying to give the CMET in this May.
Trying to give what?
CMAT exam for MBA.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now Vandana Bhabi, can you help me in taking the introductions?
Yeah, sure, Didi. Can we have Kartik Beta ji?
Just a second.
Yeah.
Okay, there might be people, who are
Kartik Beta ji, can you introduce
Hello,
yourself?
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Can we
Hello,
have your videos also, Kartik Beta ji, and those who are introducing, so that we can have and also let me know, children, would you like to go live on YouTube? Because these sessions normally our sessions are recorded and are beneficial for all. So we either go live on YouTube or on Facebook. So it might be there might come some moments where you'll have some personal questions also, very personal, you might ask. Normally that happens with children after third or fourth day. So if you would recommend, then only we will go live on Facebook, or we would put them on YouTube. Otherwise, we'll have these sessions and get it finished. They will be recorded in Zoom.
It is a little bit too late now. It's already live on Facebook.
Okay.
And it's already getting recorded.
Okay, fine. It's all right. Perfectly all right. So whose introduction we were taking?
Kartik Beta ji.
Kartik.
Yeah, Kartik Beta ji, yes.
So, hello, ma'am. I'm from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So, I'm pursuing my BTech third year in VNR College.
Okay.
So this is my first ever time. I didn't, talk very much online. So, a little bit nervous, but still I'm trying. I'm coming to my family. So my mother is an employee in micron company. My father is a clerk, and my brother is also an employee. So I'm still studying. What else?
Glad to see you here, children. Very happy to see you here. Bhaji, we can proceed ahead.
Can we have Krina Ramawat Beta ji? Would you like to introduce yourself?
It's
Reena or Krina. Krina Ramawat Beta ji, are you there?
They must be back from the colleges, the online sessions.
We can have Neelam Maheshwari Beta ji introduce first, and then maybe Krina Beta ji when she is able to listen to us. Neelam Maheshwari Beta ji.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. जी आपको हम सुन पा रहे हैं. आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगी नीलम जी?
जी हेलो, जस्ट अ सेकंड मैम. एक्चुअली हेलो, हाँ, आई एम a housewife right now. Means in what case मैम, मैंने जस्ट अभी ज्वाइन किया. आप क्या पूछ रहे थे मुझे पता नहीं, जस्ट आपने नाम लिया तो मैं आई.
मैं बस ये कह रही थी, आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए. आप कहाँ से हैं और क्या करती हैं? बस इंट्रोडक्शन चाहिए आपका जो जुड़े हुए हैं.
ओके फाइन मैम. मैं एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ मैम. मैं शेगांव महाराष्ट्र से हूँ और फिलहाल मैंने अभी मेरा सीए फाइनल का अटेम्प्ट दिया है.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
और आपकी फैमिली में कौन कौन है?
फैमिली में मेरे मम्मी जी, पापा जी, हस्बैंड और 2 देवर है।
बढ़िया।
Welcome, welcome.
वर्षा बेटा जी, will you introduce yourself please?
Hello, I'm Varsha. I'm from Hyderabad. I am pursuing my engineering in electricals and electronics right now. And yeah, I live with my dad, my mother, and staying with Neeti auntie at her place.
बढ़िया, good. Yashwant Manav. Will you introduce yourself? Yashwant Manav beta ji.
As told to me by Varsha Betaji that children do their online classes the whole day. And then they go back home, and that was why we had kept this time 6 to 8 p.m. so that they are free from their things. So I think Yashwant Betaji might have switched on, joined and switched on, and must be.
Maybe same thing happened with Reena Ramawat beta ji also.
Yeah.
So maybe in some time in mid of the session or towards the end, we'll get them introduced.
Yeah. So can you just tell them the basic? I'll update otherwise. So anybody who want to ask a question can raise a hand here. And so in the end of the session, we will have a questionnaire and takeaway session also. So this is going to be an interaction session, and you can just brief. Okay, Neelam Maheshwari Betaji, she says that actually our weather is terrific and no electricity right now. So sorry for delaying the answering, ma'am. So where is she from? Is she from Kerala or somewhere?
Shegaon, ma'am.
Shegaon.
Near Akola, Maharashtra. हाँ, गजानन महाराज.
Okay. It's all right, perfectly all right.
Yeah, during the session also, if anyone has a question, you can type in, either you can raise your hand, we can take it up in the end, or you can type in your question in the chat box. As Didi was mentioning, we are going live on Facebook, as Bhaiya also told us, and you don't want your name to be mentioned, and you want a personal question to be answered, so Didi can answer it without taking anyone's name. You can just type in your question in the chat box. I will read it out, and Didi will answer your questions. So that way you don't have to worry that your name is going to go live on Facebook or YouTube.
Yeah, thank you for that.
Today we are going live actually, and if without asking you all, because these sessions normally are very beneficial for everybody, every youth and every human being, as rightly said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in his address to the nation when he was the president of India in 2007. He had said that these sessions must be compulsory for all Indian citizens. So I'm very sure you must not be knowing much about what it is. Is that right? Anybody can actually open their mic and answer. Anybody knowing what are we going to talk about? I have shared here.
Before we start the session and the answer, I would just like to introduce Neeti Didi, who's going to conduct this entire workshop for 5 days. So I came in contact with Neeti Didi about 2.5 years back when she was one of the speakers in the AICT induction program for human values, which AICT had made mandatory for all the engineering colleges. So the workshop which we conducted in Karnataka, so Didi was one of the facilitators of those workshops. She's been studying this Madhyas Darshan or coexistential philosophy from past around 20 years. And she is also making other people understand this philosophy from last 3 years at her place.
5 years.
5 years at your place. Thank you for correcting me, Didi. And the Abhibhavak Vidyalaya, which is based in Raipur, which is based on this philosophy itself. She looks after the total administration part of that school as well. And all the teachers and everything, teacher mentoring, all this, she keeps doing. I had it was my lucky thing that I was a part of her parenting workshop also, which happened just a couple of days back. So maybe I think 2 weeks back we had that, and wherein she spoke about the Garbh Sanskar, the childhood, what are the problems that the parents face when they bring up their child. How can you set your goals, your priorities? How can you live without any bhay or without any fear in your life? That is what she had covered. And I'm sure in these 5 days also, she'll be able to answer all whatever questions you have. If you want to ask your questions today, fine. If you want to wait on the last day, that is also fine. You can just keep noting down whatever questions come to you, even when the session is on or even when the session is not on. That time also you can keep noting down your questions, and we can ask Didi all your questions. I know at this age, when you're in the between 18 and 22, you have a lot of questions regarding your career, regarding your education, your personal growth, regarding marriage, regarding your personal life, your behavior. So I'm sure Didi is going to cover all of them in her talk in these 5 days, and we all are going to be benefited by that. Thank you so much, Didi.
Thank you. So Vandana Bhabhi is from Bangalore.
I saw so many of them from Hyderabad, so I thought, let me just speak in English so that everyone is comfortable.
Yes, today's generation only, Neelam Betaji. Yeah. And let me introduce you to my teen, Vandana Sangal Bhabhi ji. She's from Bangalore and very much into, this Vedic mathematics. She's an expert in that. And also she helps conducting the workshops everywhere. And there's a place called Manav Teeth in Chhattisgarh. So she's a mentor there also, and taking the classes and workshops of the children there also. And she has got 2 sons, grown-up sons. I think both of them are IITian, and I think both of them are working also, as far as I know. And her family is totally, basically more of IITians in her family, and they are spread throughout India. So quite a bit of famous family also. And then our technical team support is from Panipat, Sandeep Bhaiya. He is also an IITian. Am I right, Sandeep Bhaiya?
NITian, Didi, not IITian.
NITian, and he had been in USA, and he shifted to India, and he is in Panipat right now. His wife's staying in Nagpur with 1 son, and he is with 1 son and his parents in Panipat. And he has been attending my workshops since a year, or more than a year maybe. Since a year, and has been understanding this coexistential philosophy so that he can live a purposeful, existential, purposeful, and a happy life, healthy life, and be useful to all others around him, and maybe far to him, like he is being right now. And he is right from the 2 sessions. He has been helping his hands in giving the technical support of for these sessions. For the parenting sessions, we didn't go live on Facebook, but we were live on YouTube. But with the this adult children, I would call youth, 18 to 22 years, will be catering basically main questions here, where to head from. So this is the story from the session begins like this, that we have a family friend and we have their daughter with us, and he wanted they both want their child's grooming, emotional, mental healthiness, and financial well-being, both, like all parents do. So by the time the children are 18, or by the time they finish their high school and enter the college, and the second phase, when they exit from the college and they are really at times confused, few of the children are confused now where to go, what next. So before starting my session, Bhaiya, can I know the Facebook from which profile it is going live?
Didi, your page, Niti Kothari.
Niti Singhvi Kothari, it doesn't show me going live. I don't know. So that in any case, Vandana Bhabhi, have you logged in? Are you seeing me there? Like, oh, yes, I can see there. Yes.
It is Niti Singhvi Kothari.
Yeah, I can see. So that in any case, So if you have the questions and if I miss them, just let me know if there are questions on the Facebook also, so we can know. So children, we start the session.
Didi, I will let you know questions.
Yeah, let me know the questions. We have Shruti Betaji and Tushar Sahu Betaji again. Two more people joining us. I think, I don't know from, would you like to introduce yourself, Shruti Betaji and Tushar Sahu Betaji? Or should I put forth my question? फर्स्ट की हिंदी में सेशन चाहेंगे कि इंग्लिश में? आप लोग बता दें सब, या बाइलिंगुअल? कोई भी आंसर दे दे. हिंदी, प्योर हिंदी या हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों चलेगा?
मैम हिंदी इंग्लिश.
हिंदी इंग्लिश चलेगा, ठीक है. हाँ, हिंदी में थोड़े एक्सप्रेशंस हमारे ज़्यादा अच्छे से आते हैं, मदर टंग है, पर मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों को ये करूँगी. हाँ, तुषार बेटा जी नमस्ते. और हिंदी आप भी कह रहे हैं, पर जो हैदराबाद वाले जो हैं वो शायद कह सकते हैं कि बाइलिंगुअल. सो हम दोनों को केटर करते हैं और बाइलिंगुअल जाते हैं, हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश में भी, दोनों तरीके से हम बात कर सकते हैं. बाइलिंगुअल, यस, बाइलिंगुअल. तो एक चीज मुझे बताइए कि आज आप बच्चे लोग जिस मोड़ पे हैं, आप लोगों का लक्ष्य क्या है? व्हाट इज योर एम? गोल क्या है? कैन यू सी योर गोल क्लियरली? एंड व्हेन आई से गोल, व्हेन आई से लक्ष्य, इट मीन्स वी हैव डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एम्स. सो वन इज दैट वी थिंक कि मेरे को यहाँ तक अपनी जिंदगी में पहुंचना है, अपने पूरे लाइफ स्पैन में मैं अपने आप को यहाँ तक देखना चाहता हूँ. दूसरा है कि अभी जो भी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ ये खत्म हो जाए. तीसरा है कि बस इतना कि कमाने खाने लग जाऊं. चौथा है कि रूटीन के हमारे कुछ छोटे छोटे लक्ष्य होते हैं, उनको मैं पूरा करते करते जैसे जैसे जो समय आएगा वैसे वैसे करता जाऊंगा. तो कैन यू ऑल शेयर ऑन इन द चैट बॉक्स योर गोल? अगर आपकी किसी ने सोचा हो कभी इस बारे में कि वो अपनी आपको कैसे देखना चाहते हैं जिंदगी में, क्या उन्होंने कभी सोचा है कि कुछ गोल है उनका या होना चाहिए? और आप लोग एक चीज और कर सकते हैं कि आप लोग किन किन टॉपिक्स पे बात करना चाहते हैं, जैसे not clear with the goals, yes, okay, I'm not taking the name, but yes, the answers. Get very confused in selecting the things to do in life, yes. So decision making, you would like to decision making, this is very important part, goal setting and decision making. Okay, fine. Any more? कोई और कुछ हैं बातें जिनको जो करना चाहेगा, सुनना चाहेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जिसको लेके हम डिस्कस करना चाहते हो? बिल्कुल. रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज, ठीक बात है. Priorities, how to set priorities, very nice. बिल्कुल ठीक है, बात तो बिल्कुल ठीक है. Priorities and self-development, that's very very important. If you do this, तो ऊपर की जितनी चीजें हैं, goal setting, decision making, relationship issues, priorities, all get covered. Self-development, yes. And anyone who want to answer? हम बाद में भी अगर आप लोगों को कोई ऐसे टॉपिक लगते हैं जिसपे हमको बोलना चाहिए, वो we can cover, you can share. This window is totally open. Totally open. Whenever you want to ask any question, हम आगे बढ़ भी गए होंगे तो भी आप पीछे का क्वेश्चन निश्चित होके पूछ सकते हैं. How to remove crowd fear? So basically we need to understand the fear first. Fear part भी है. Okay. So you all can come. आप लोग लिख सकते हैं, लिखते जा सकते हैं और कभी भी किसी भी दिन क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. तो मैं भी क्वेश्चन पूछते जाऊंगी, कुछ तो हमारे इंटरेक्शंस ऐसे होते रहेंगे. सो इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन. Varsha ma, what would you like to say if you want, if you have something in your mind कि क्या goal है जिंदगी का? What aim do you have in your life?
Still trying to figure it out, Aarti. Still trying.
Okay. So the basic thing is कि goal तो अभी set नहीं हो पाया है जिंदगी का, और हमारे सिलेबस में कहीं पर भी हुआ भी नहीं है कि गोल क्या है, होना क्या चाहिए गोल, ऐसा कि जिंदगी में क्या लक्ष्य होना चाहिए. सबके लक्ष्य एक होंगे जिंदगी में? आपको क्या लगता है कि पूरी धरती पे जितने लोग हैं उन सब के लक्ष्य एक होंगे कि अलग अलग होंगे?
डिफरेंट होंगे, अलग अलग.
अलग अलग होंगे, डिफरेंट होंगे. यू ऑल कैन ओपन माइक एंड स्पीक. इट इज गोइंग टू बी एन इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन. आप लोग बता सकते हैं कि धरती पे, अर्थ में मान लो 750 crores of people are living here. तो क्या ये साढ़े 750 करोड़ लोगों का जिंदगी का लक्ष्य, धरती पे आने का लक्ष्य अलग अलग होगा कि एक होगा? एक तो ये क्वेश्चन है ना. दूसरा, हम लक्ष्य को किस तरीके से देखते हैं? दूसरा कि हम लक्ष्य को कैसे देखते हैं? कैसे देखने का मतलब कि बहुत पैसा कमा लेना लक्ष्य होना चाहिए, या बहुत सुंदर हो जाना लक्ष्य हो जाना चाहिए, फिजिकली एंड रंग रूप से सुंदर, फिजिकली सुंदर, धन बहुत हो जाए और खूब अच्छे सा एक पोस्ट मिल जाए, है ना. क्या ये सारी चीजों से हम अपने एम को देखते हैं? यूथ के साथ में ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई टेल यू कि मैं अभी कल ही एक, आई डोंट हैव हियर, बट मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि भैया को मैं एक फोटो भेजती हूँ. अगर भैया उस फोटो को यहाँ पे शेयर कर सकते हैं तो भैया, विल यू बी एबल टू डू दैट? व्हाट्सएप करूँ तो आपको?
Yes, Didi, I will be able to do that.
So I'll let you know few things. Okay, so we start with this story. This is a truth story. I've sent this thing to भैया, और भैया इस फोटो को शेयर करेंगे अभी. मेरा goal would be same. Let's say it is to be a good man. Details should be different. Yes, good. गुड मैन मतलब मैन है तो गुड होना ही है, नहीं तो अभी हम अपने मैन होने से इंसाफ नहीं कर पाते. वी आर नॉट जस्टिफाइंग टू बी अ ह्यूमन. सो गुड ह्यूमन बोलने से मुझे ऐसा कई बार लगता है कि ह्यूमन बीइंग को तो गुड होना ही चाहिए. तो अभी हमने मानव शरीर ले तो लिया, ह्यूमन बीइंग का बॉडी ले तो लिया है, जन्म तो ले लिया है, पर एग्जिस्टेंशियल पर्पस हमको नहीं पता है. तो ये ह्यूमन हो के जन्म ले लिया है, इसलिए हमको गुड लगाना पड़ता है कि स्टिल वी डोंट नो व्हाट एक्चुअली द गुड इज. तो आपका मेरा गुड अलग अलग होगा कि हम सबका गुड एक होगा. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इफ एनीबडी कैन आंसर कि गोल सेटिंग में जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो गोल हम सबका अलग अलग होगा कि एक होगा, और जब हम बात कर रहे हैं गुड और बैड की तो गुड हम सबका एक होगा कि अलग अलग होगा? गुड और बैड हम सबका एक होगा कि अलग होगा? और तीसरा क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा कि हम अभी गोल सेटिंग को कैसे देखते हैं कि क्या एक अच्छा पोस्ट मिल जाए वो सफिशिएंट है, अच्छी पोस्ट, अच्छी सैलरी, है ना, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत पैसा हो जाए. बहुत पैसा यानी कितना पैसा? So there is difference between wealth and money. Universally, what is good will be good for everyone. Yes, here comes a very thoughtful and sensible answer. So how many of you agree with this answer? Universally, what is good will be good for everyone. सभी लोगों के लिए जो अच्छा होगा वो सबका अच्छा होगा. ये कितने लोग इससे एग्री करते हैं? Yes, yes. Keep on writing. Yes. Very interesting. Very interesting. That is so. कितने लोगों ने इस चीज को सोचा था कि सबके अच्छे में मेरा अच्छा है, सबका अच्छा होगा तो मेरा अच्छा अपने आप होगा. कितने लोगों ने इस तरीके से सोचा था? Youth, I'm very happy with you. This is mind blowing. First day, 15-minute session, and see Vandana Bhabi and Sandeep Bhaiya, what is coming up.
It's amazing, Didi. Actually, they're writing personally to you, so we can't see all the answers.
No, I'm not taking anybody's name, but I'm just reading the answer.
Yeah. Amazing.
5 or 6 of them have said agree, yes, yes, ma'am. And universally, what is good will be good for everyone. So that was what, मतलब दिल जीत लिया बच्चों, आपने तो बिल्कुल दिल जीत लिया. अभी तक के ना यूनिवर्सिटैलिटी के हिसाब से हमारा सोच डेवलप नहीं होता है. अच्छे अच्छे लोगों को बड़ी उम्र में पहुंचते तक के डाइंग बेड में, डेथ बेड में रहते तक के, दे डोंट थिंक अबाउट यूनिवर्सल गुड. तो इतना जबरदस्त ये चीज है, और जिसमें आप सब एग्री कर रहे हैं कि हाँ, जो सबके लिए अच्छा हो सकता है वो मेरा भी तो अच्छा होगा ही ऑटोमेटिकली, क्योंकि सब में मैं हूं और मुझसे सब है ना. कितना सुंदर है, सब में मैं हूं और मुझसे सब है. तो हम टेपेस्टर्ड हैं टुगेदर, हम अलग कहीं पर भी नहीं है. टेपेस्टर्ड मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे ये कपड़ा है, ये बिल्कुल खादी का बुना हुआ कपड़ा है ना, ये वाला. तो इसको बुनते हैं ना, तो हर तार एक दूसरे से जुड़ा हुआ रहता है. कहीं का भी आप खींचेंगे, एक खींचेंगे तो एक पूरी लाइन ऐसी गैप दिख जाती, क्योंकि बाकी सबसे कनेक्टेड है वो. तो इसलिए ये टेपेस्टर्ड हैं, हम सब एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. तो सबका जब अच्छा होने लगता है, यूनिवर्सल गुड होने लगता है, तो हमारा भी अच्छा होता है. पर ये गोल में सेट नहीं होता है. इसलिए ये ह्यूमन वाला जो पार्ट है, ह्यूमन होने वाला, वन ऑफ यू हैव सेड कि एक अच्छा आदमी बनना चाहता हूँ पहले. तो ये बड़ी सुंदर बात है कि एक अच्छा आदमी बनने का गोल तो है कम से कम, पर ये गुड क्या होता है? गुड सबका अलग अलग होता है कि मेरा और सबका एक गुड होगा. और दूसरा मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि अभी हमने अपना जो एम बना के रखा हुआ है, वो मुझे इतना धन कमाना है ना. धन में भी मैंने 2 उसको रखा हुआ है ना. एक मैंने रखा हुआ है कि मुझे मनी एंड वेल्थ, 2 अलग अलग हैं कि एक ही चीज है. We will discuss this. I'm writing this, wealth and money. We will discuss this in the coming time, but these are 2 different things, I think. और 1 अगर एक हम लेते हैं तो कैसे लेते हैं इसको? तो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि अब हम जो लक्ष्य बनाते हैं, जो एम बनाते हैं अभी, वो हमने किसी पोस्ट को लेके बनाया हुआ है ना. किसी कि हम मुझे समझ लीजिए कि मुझे इस जगह पे पहुंचना है, इस पद तक के पहुंचना है. मे बी जो कुछ इंजीनियर्स हों वो एक अपने लिए सोच के रखे हैं कि मुझे यहाँ तक पहुंचना है, और किसी ने सोच के रखा होगा कि मुझे पॉलिटिशियन बनना है, किसी ने सोचा होगा कि एरोक्राफ्ट इंजीनियर बनना है, किसी ने सोचा होगा कि स्पेस इंजीनियर बनना है, किसी ने सोचा है जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट कर रही हैं कि हाँ मुझे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी करके आगे क्या करना है. उसके बाद में तो वही होता है कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी को हम लोग जो कहते हैं कि जितना भी गलत का, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी और वकील जो होते हैं, इनका सही गलत गलत सही ये वाला मामला उनका चलता रहता है. पर बहुत से लोग बहुत अच्छे लक्ष्य रखते हैं जिंदगी में, और ये प्रोफेशन है और उसको उस तरीके से ही करते हैं, सब अपने अपने प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स को बना के रखे हुए हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली करते हैं. सो नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी वन पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन, not saying it bad or not saying it good. What I'm talking about is ये कि गोल सेटिंग में हमने क्या बनाया. यस, नीलम बेटा जी आप कुछ शेयर करना चाह रहे हैं, आपका हैंड रेज है.
Also, Didi, I have received pictures. Whenever you want me to share, I can share.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, ma'am. Money means cash and similar items. Wealth means prosperity in all walks of life, not only monetary items. So, okay. We'll discuss it. How much money or cash matters जिंदगी में गोल सेटिंग के लिए. गोल सेटिंग की हम बात कर रहे हैं, या डिसीजन मेकिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, या प्रायोरिटीज की बात कर रहे हैं, या रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज की बात कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे बहुत अधिक प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस का होता है, कंपैरिजन का होता है, कंपटीशन का होता है. तो इन सब को हम धीरे धीरे कवर करेंगे. कंपैरिजन, कंपटीशन और आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस, as many as I can in the 5 days. तो अभी एक बात और आ रही थी, हमारी बात हो रही थी कि हम अपने आप को अपना हमने कैसे असेस किया हुआ है, अपना गोल सेटिंग पद से, धन से, रूप से या बल से, इसमें हमने अपने आप की गोल सेटिंग किस तरीके से की हुई है. तो गोल सेटिंग की बात करने में इन बिटिया का जिनका पिक्चर अभी मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपके सामने आएगा, संदीप भैया शेयर करेंगे, तो मैं उनकी एक स्टोरी आपको बताती हूँ, कल परसों की ही है. संदीप भैया, कैन यू शेयर द pictures? So this is Sukaro Didi. She is a leprosy cured patient, and see, she's showing you her feet. कैसे उनका पाँव नहीं है और दूसरा पाँव artificial limb है उनका. तो Sukaro Didi is with me. I mean, she lives separately. And this is her daughter, Sonam Bitia. She is blind. She is visually impaired. She cannot see. So both of them, I've been working for leprosy patients for quite a lot of time, for quite a lot of years. Way back when Chhattisgarh had highest number of leprosy patients. So since then, maybe 22 years back, I know. सोनम बेटा इज नाउ 20 years old. सो ये जब पैदा हुई थी तो ये मेरी गोदी में आई थी, क्योंकि ये बहुत बीमार थी और ये देख नहीं सकती थी, और इसके कारण इनको काफ़ी नाजुक थी और इनको जॉन्डिस वगैरह हो गया था, इनको बहुत इलाज की ज़रूरत पड़ी थी. और फिर 4-5 साल के जब हुई तो इनको थोड़ा सा और बीमार हुई, थोड़ी उनको और संभाला. और क्योंकि सुकारो दीदी की इच्छा थी, उनका लक्ष्य था, सुकारो दीदी जो अपना पाँव दिखा रही है, आर्टिफिशियल लिम्ब, शी इज आस्किंग मी टू गेट अ न्यू जयपुर पाँव फॉर हर, आर्टिफिशियल लिम्ब फॉर हर. सो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. सो लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट सोनम बेटा जी. तो सोनम बेटा के बारे में हम बात करते हैं. तो सोनम बेटा कह रही थी कि के बारे में उनको फिर मैंने एक बैंगलोर में हमको पता चला कि एक मिशनरी है जहाँ पे विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड बच्चों को रखते हैं और वो उनको पढ़ाते हैं और उनको ज़िंदगी में अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं जिसमें वो आगे बढ़ सकें और आगे कर सकें. तो वहाँ पे मैंने उनको भेज दिया सोनम बेटा जी को, और उसके बाद में इतने सालों में वहाँ रहते उन्होंने बहुत सारे अच्छे परफॉर्मेंसेस दिए, पढ़ाई में भी, और म्यूज़िक उन्होंने सीखा, वायलिन सीखा, पियानो सीखा उन्होंने. और सोनम बेटा जी फिर उनको एक पोलैंड के हैं कपल, उन्होंने एना, आई नो एज मच एज शी हैज टोल्ड मी, कि उन्होंने अडॉप्ट किया, और तो ये पोलैंड भी जाके आती हैं, कभी कभी जाती हैं, और ये अकेली ट्रैवल करती हैं. तो ये अभी लॉकडाउन के कारण पिछले 1 साल और उसके 1 साल पहले से 2 साल से रायपुर नहीं आई थी, अपने मामा जी से नहीं मिली थी. अभी आई तो ऑब्वियसली शी वांटेड टू मीट मी. भैया उसमें एक आध फोटो है क्या जिसमें द वे शी इज ऑपरेटिंग हर मोबाइल, दैट इज अमेजिंग. तो वो आई है क्या फोटो आपके पास में भैया? नहीं आई है वाली फोटो. ओके. तो
I have received 5 pictures.
हाँ, तो वो वीडियो थे, वो मैंने नहीं भेजे हैं.
हाँ, वीडियो नहीं है.
हाँ, मैंने नहीं भेजे। तो वो सोनम बेटा का फोन आया मेरे पास में कि निधि आंटी एंड शी स्पीक्स वंडरफुल, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करती हैं। तो मैंने कहा कि बेटा कैसे हैं, क्या चाहते हैं अब आप जिंदगी में, कहाँ पहुंच गए हैं? तो उन्होंने कहा कि वो बैंगलोर में सेंट जोसेफ कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएशन कर रही हैं, इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉलिटिकल साइंस और एक और सब्जेक्ट है उनका, 3 सब्जेक्ट हैं, और वो आगे मास्टर्स करना चाहते हैं। और तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि आप पोलैंड शिफ्ट हो जाओगे हमेशा के लिए? तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं, मेरी माँ यहाँ पे है, मेरा एम पोलैंड शिफ्ट होना नहीं है। हाँ, मैं पोलैंड जाके शायद मास्टर्स कर सकती हूँ, पर मैं वापस यहीं आऊंगी। तो मैंने कहा फिर आपका एम क्या है? तो उन्होंने 2 एम बताए। उन्होंने कहा कि वो अपनी माँ की सेवा करना चाहती हैं, दूसरा वो बैंकिंग जॉब्स में जाना चाहती हैं, बैंक में जाना चाहती हैं, बैंकिंग काम में, और उसके लिए शायद कुछ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देनी होती हैं जो अभी उनको बहुत क्लियर नहीं है, जिसका उन्होंने मुझे कहा है कि आप मुझे पता करके और बताइएगा। उनके कोई एक फ्रेंड हैं, वो बैंक में जॉब करते हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये स्टेट लेवल के भी एग्जाम्स होते हैं और आप इसमें जा सकते हैं। ये बताने का कारण ये था कि हम विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड हों, फिजिकली इम्पेयर्ड हों, किसी भी तरीके से हमारा कोई एक शरीर का हिस्सा काम करता हो, नहीं करता हो, मन सबका एक है, और मन सबका एक होने के कारण सबके पास मन है, और उसका बनने का तरीका, मन कैसे बनाए, दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। तो मन जो है वो चाहता एक ही तरीके की चीजें हैं, पर गोल सेटिंग उसकी फिक्स नहीं हो पाती है, ठीक नहीं हो पाती है। तो भैया यू कैन रिमूव दिस। तो जब इनसे बात करा मैंने कि गोल सेटिंग के बारे में, मैं नॉर्मली बच्चों के साथ में बात यही करती हूँ कि गोल सेटिंग के बारे में, या मेरा स्पेशलाइजेशन ही यूथ है। इसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में एक और एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि जुवेनाइल कोर्ट में अभी हम काम कर रहे थे, मैं और मेरा ग्रुप जो रायपुर में है वो जुवेनाइल कोर्ट में काम कर रहा था, और वहाँ पे काम करते करते ये हुआ कि जुवेनाइल आप समझते होंगे, जो आपराधिक प्रवृत्ति के बच्चे होते हैं जिनको अलग से एक सुधार गृह में रखा जाता है, और वहाँ पे उन बच्चों के कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, वो कुछ अच्छा सुन ले, उसके लिए उनके साथ में हमारे ग्रुप को बुलाया गया था काम करने के लिए। 45 डेज के काम में ये बात समझ में आई कि जब उनके साथ में गोल सेटिंग की बात करी तो हर बच्चे ने कहा कि वो नशा नहीं करना चाहता, वो अपराध नहीं करना चाहता, वो गलतियां नहीं करना चाहता, उसको सही समझ में नहीं आता है, इस कारण से वो अपराध कर देता है, इस कारण से वो गलतियां कर देता है। और वो मोस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन दोज हु हैड पेरेंट्स, दे वांटेड टू सर्व देयर फैमिली, परंतु वो दूसरे के दबाव प्रभाव में आ जाते थे। किसी दूसरे ने कुछ कहा कि चल पी लेते हैं, चल खा लेते हैं, चल ऐसा बोल दे, चल ये कर ले, और वो इस दबाव प्रभाव में आ जाते हैं। तो 18 to 22 इयर्स का जो एज ग्रुप है, ये एज ग्रुप जुवेनाइल कोर्ट में नहीं था। जुवेनाइल कोर्ट में एज ग्रुप था 13 to 18 इयर्स, 13 to 16 इयर्स था मे बी। तो उनके साथ काम करना, उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन बहुत अच्छा रहा, क्योंकि पहले तो वो बहुत जल्दी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं, और उनको ज़्यादा रहता है कि हम कैसे बाहर निकलें, और हम कोरोना के कारण सॉरी इतने दिन से हैं, किसी से मिल नहीं रहे हैं, फैमिली वालों से मिल नहीं रहे हैं, तो हम कैसे। तो उनका पहला गोल था कि हम यहाँ से बाहर निकलें। तो इस तरीके से देखते हैं तो जिंदगी में हमारे कुछ ना कुछ हम गोल बनाते ही हैं। गोल को याद में रखते हुए हम बहुत सी चीजों को डिस्कस करेंगे। एक तो हमने बोला कि मैंने आपसे कहा कि हमने कुछ इस तरीके से लिया हुआ है कि हम कुछ पद पे पहुंच जाएंगे, इतना पैसा हो जाएगा, सुंदर दिखने लग जाएं, या हमारा फिजिक डेवलपमेंट हो जाए तो हम बहुत खुशी रहेंगे, हम सुखी रह लेंगे। वहां पहुंचने के बाद में पता चलता है कि किसी ने कहा कि आईएएस हो जाएंगे, तो आईएएस हो जाने के बाद में बहुत साल नौकरी करने के बाद में पता चलता है कि वो कह रहे हैं कि यार ये तो बहुत हो गया, अब कुछ और थोड़ी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं, तो आईएएस के बाद एमबीए कर लेते हैं। तो इस तरीके से हम सोचते हैं कि शिक्षित हो जाना या पैसा कमा लेना या किसी पद में पहुंच जाना, ये एक लक्ष्य है। जबकि वन ऑफ यू हैव शेयर्ड कि आई वांट टू बी अच्छा इंसान होना चाहता हूं मैं। तो अच्छा इंसान होने की चाहत हमारी कहीं दबी रह जाती है। हम कहीं उस चीज को चाहते तो हैं, पर वो प्रायोरिटीज में नहीं आती है हमारी। तो गोल सेटिंग में हमारे जो प्रॉब्लम आते हैं वो कंपैरिजन और कंपटीशन। हम दूसरे को देख के या दुनिया में जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है उसको देख के कि अच्छा अभी एमबीए इन है, अभी इंजीनियर्स इन है, अभी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर इन है, अभी सीए का फैशन चल रहा है, तो अभी 10 साल तो इन्हीं का है, मार्केट इसी का है। अभी एक और लाइन आई है, फाइनेंशियल एनालिटिक्स, मैं नाम भूल रही हूँ उसका, पर वो कोर्स होता है जिसमें मैथ्स में काफ़ी स्पेशलाइजेशन होते हैं और वो फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड चीज़ों को रीड कर पाते हैं। तो उसमें मैंने देखा कि वहाँ पे भी एक नई लाइन है कि ये लाइन में चलते हैं। तो इस तरीके से हम कुछ कुछ छोटे छोटे रास्तों को चूज करते हैं, और एक बड़ा रास्ता हमारा एग्जिस्टेंशियल पर्पस का रास्ता और हमारा गोल कि हम सब जिंदगी में खुश रहना चाहते हैं, हम सब जिंदगी में सुखी रहना चाहते हैं, ये कहीं दब जाता है। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू एग्री विद दिस? आप लोग पढ़ाई क्यों कर रहे हैं? इसीलिए कर रहे हैं? किस किस के कौन कौन किस एम के साथ में क्या क्या पढ़ाई कर रहा है? कोई शेयर कर सकता है किस एम के साथ में पढ़ाई शुरू करना, या कोई चॉइस करी, मैथ्स लिया या इंजीनियर या सीए या व्हाटएवर, किस एम के साथ बनना चाहते हैं? क्या करेंगे इंजीनियर बन के, क्या करेंगे एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट होके, या क्या करेंगे एक डॉक्टर बन के, क्या करना चाहते हैं? एनी शेयरिंग ऑन दिस? मान लीजिए कि आप चाहते हो कि आप एक पायलट बनना चाहते हो, पायलट बन गए, फिर क्या करेंगे? क्या करना चाहेंगे उसमें? Any sharing? Bhabi, you can take few names.
Archita beta ji, would you like to share something? Neelam beta ji?
Message कर दीजिए और switch on your mic and say.
Karthik, Rachita beta ji, any one of you all? You can just type in or you can unmute yourself and ask.
Okay. Ma'am, I agreed and also believe in helping others. It gives happiness, but sometimes we don't help them because of some reason, like parents won't allow to or some other reason. So how to handle such things? Maybe I'm not able to make understand you proper in this message, but this happens to me many times. Is there any other way I contact you directly? Yes. Sorry. So there is one thing that by the end of the session, you will have my numbers. Okay, but I'm writing it right now. This is my WhatsApp number. I might not be able to take calls, but oh, it has gone privately to one person only. How to do it for public?
In the combo box, change everyone. Change the name to everyone, then it will go to everyone.
Okay, yes. So this is my WhatsApp number. You can write down your questions and your queries. Sorry. There. So I've been asked to also speak more in English so that people from Hyderabad or South are also there, they can understand. So we were talking about the goal setting and the problems there. And I had this question with everyone that first question was about goal setting. Have you decided anything what you want to be in your life? Secondly, how important is that in the goal you have set as some designation to earn money, to be more beautiful, to look physically very beautiful, or to have when I was taking a workshop of the agriculture students of the National Agriculture University, second year agriculture students, and they said, oh, I want many girlfriends. My aim is to have many girlfriends. So you might have that aim. And I was saying that I was asking the question, Vashama, that why you want to be an engineer, or why you want to be a doctor, or why you want to be a chartered accountant. And then here was this answer that helping others gives happiness. So let me tell you one thing about helping others. I skipped understanding myself, and I skipped my family and went to do work in society. Whereas I used to hate coming back in home because I was not happy with my relationships and my family. So I had no intention of earning name, fame, or getting any post because of the work I was doing with the leprosy patients with the palliative care patients. But my inner was always in pain. It was always complaining about some or the other relationship. So I had skipped understanding my own self, my own inner. I've skipped fulfilling my own inner, and I jumped into society. I skipped my family also. Whereas the first place of happiness, to express joy, to get solutions is your family only. And I'd skipped that. And I did a lot of work for all these people whom I had showed the picture. So once upon a time, I had the aim that I might find happiness by helping others. But if I'm not happy, I cannot give happiness. In order to give happiness, one should have happiness. So I am pursuing BBA, but not clear why I'm doing this. But I want to become independent and want to help my family and others. Very true. Very true. Everybody wants to be an independent person. Solutions. I want to become an engineer to fulfill my basic needs and to build houses for the people in need. So do you mean low-cost housing, or the kind of traditional houses were there, mud houses, or the area where you're constructing the house? So according to the geographical conditions, you want to construct the house. So as you say, basic needs, house come in one of the basic needs. So let us have one data. Bhaiya, are you there?
Anji Didi, I'm here.
So can you just Google Maharaj ko पूछ सकते हैं कि any idea how many construction companies or how many engineers does India have?
How many construction companies are there in India?
Yeah, and how many engineers are there?
Didi, there are 200 construction companies in India.
How many?
200.
200. They are registered.
Yes, 200 are registered.
200 are registered. And I'm very happy that Tushar Betaji wants to make houses for the people in need. So let's record this, that he has this big aim to become an engineer. want to be, I think he's a civil engineer. That is why he is thinking to make houses. I think Tushar Betaji is a civil engineer, must be pursuing civil engineering. One is pursuing BBA, that is Bachelor's of Business Administration. And okay. Yes, I'm a civil engineer. Anybody else who want to share why they want to be what they are doing right now? जो अभी वो कर रहे हैं, वो क्यों कर रहे हैं? अगर कोई कुछ भी पढ़ाई कर रहा है, BBA, BCom, BA, CA, engineering, doctor, anything, वो क्यों कर रहा है? किसी के पास आंसर इस चीज का? हम पढ़ाई क्यों करते हैं? Why do we get educated? हम पढ़ाई क्यों करते हैं? Why do we study? हम पढ़ाई क्यों करते हैं? As one of the child has said कि obviously कि मैं अपनी basic needs को पूरा कर सकूं. बिल्कुल ठीक बात है कि हम अपनी आवश्यकताओं को पूरा करें, इसलिए हम पढ़ाई करते हैं कि हम वो स्किल को हम डेवलप कर सकें, so that we get those skill through which we can earn more than our needs. Is that right? Do you agree with this? That I get educated because I want to know those skills through which I can earn more than my needs. Is it right? So earning more than my needs is one part of education. Any other part of any part two of education? Part one, today, the whole education system is based on skill enhancing. But somehow during this COVID time, people realized that mental healthiness is very important factor, and especially for the youth, which this workshop, online workshop for the youth for the 18 to 22 years of age. Why? Where are we heading? What is the goal? Why are we getting educated? Why I am pursuing this education? Is it because of comparison? Is it because of some competition? Or is it because I have my personal aim, personal goal? So what is that personal goal? And do we all have one goal in life, all human beings on earth? Or do we all 750 crore people on earth have different goals? And to fulfill those goals, let me connect, we send our children to get educated. So, anybody want to answer this? Anybody can answer on Facebook, but my age target is 18 to 22 years. Basically, my age target is 18 to 22 years. One part, as one of the civil engineers said, he wants to fulfill his basic needs. The other one said, she's from Gujarat, I guess. Am I right, Vandana Bhabi? One of the participant is from Gujarat somewhere. So she is
Yes,
not very...
Ritika Betaji is from Surat.
Yeah. So she's not very clear what she wants to be. She is pursuing, but she wants to be independent. But by pursuing this BBA, she's not very clear what she wants to be. And in this Corona times, you know, you really are at times, क्या सोचा और क्या हुआ. मैंने क्या सोच के इस पढ़ाई को ज्वाइन की थी, और अब घर बैठ के सारा एजुकेशन, पूरा एजुकेशन घर में मिल रहा है, तो ना कैंपस है, ना वो दोस्त हैं, वो ना वो मस्ती है, ना वो ऑनलाइन, ना वो वर्चुअल क्लासेस हैं. अब तो वर्चुअल या फिजिकल क्लासेस हैं, अब तो सारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैं, तो अब कैसे इतना समय को ऐसे के समय कैसे निकाला जाए, और फ्यूचर क्या होगा. नाउ द अदर फियर इज कि मेरा भविष्य क्या होगा. जब गोल इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू भविष्य, goal setting is directly related to the future. What would my future be? So there are ample of, I would like to clear few things here before we proceed before we proceed more ahead. Whatever I'm proposing, children, here is this in a proposal format only. मैं यहाँ जितनी भी बात रख रही हूँ ये प्रस्ताव के स्वरूप में रख रही हूँ. इसको आपको मानना बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, इसको आपको जांचना है. मानना क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि मानने में हम सब अलग अलग हो जाते हैं. जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये ग्लास है और इस ग्लास में एक ब्लैक टी है, तो इसको सब लोग उसी तरीके से, ये ग्लास है तो ये यूनिवर्सली ग्लास होगी, ये सबके लिए ग्लास होगी, ये कांच की ग्लास होगी, ये क्या, क्यों, कैसे, कितना, why, what, how much of this will come, give you a universal answer what it is. So this, what I'm proposing here is, please don't just accept it. Don't accept it. It is in a proposal format. What you have to do is you have to check within yourself. Now this ability, ये जो मेरे भीतर में क्षमता है जांचने की, इसको you have to bring up. To check, to know your own self, to know things by your own self, by your own capability. इसको अभी किसी ने कहा, एक बच्चे ने लिखा है, universal solutions, and there is no ego in it. There is no ego in it that I have all my solutions. I'm very easygoing in it, and I'm very solvable and dissolvable and happy in it that I have all my solutions and I'm helping everybody with those solutions. So all what I am going to propose here for 5 days, don't just assume it. Check it within yourself. Check it. It is right or wrong. Ask the questions. Why are you saying this, Auntie? Why, Neeti, Auntie? My name is Neeti. And why are you saying this? Ask children, ask questions, which is very important. You need to ask questions and you need to have those mentors which know how to answer, how to cater your question, which gives you solution for always. And that solution, that right, would not vary from time to time or from person to person or from place to place. Right is always right. Good is always good. It will not change from person to person, from time to time, from human to human. This is what I'm proposing. Check it within yourself. If I propose that all 750 crores of people on earth, 750 crore लोग इस दुनिया में खुश रहना चाहते हैं, check within yourself. This is one capability which in these 5 days we will enrich, knowing self, enhancing our consciousness level, enhancing our understanding level, to the point where I can manage my own self, my anger issues, my own complex issues, which might make me egoistic sometimes, which might make me feel depressed sometimes. So I need to understand how to cater this. And I need to also understand if I have set some goal in my life, अगर मैंने कोई गोल जिंदगी में बनाए हैं और मैं उनको पूरा नहीं कर पा रहा हूं, तो आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आई एम सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. और मैं हर गोल को क्या सिर्फ धन से, पद से, रूप से, बल से देखती हूं? Am I measuring my every goal with the amount of money, with the amount of bank balances I have? Am I measuring my goal with some designation? or 100 crores, 200 crores, and a designation in the society? Or am I measuring my goal with I must be the most beautiful person on earth, or my children should be the most beautiful person on earth? Every parent is like that. Every parent might think like that कि सुंदर होना चाहिए बच्चा और फिजिकली भी सुंदर होना चाहिए. तो ये जो 4 तरीके से हम अपने आप को मेजर करते हैं, we need to check this. We need to check this. I propose, इसको चेक करिए कि हमको एक पद मिला है मानव बनने का, इंसान बनने का. क्या हम इंसान बन पाए? Are we human being? We are born as a human being. We are taught that you belong to this caste. We belong to this caste. Does caste come before or human being come before? Can anyone answer this? इंसान होना पहले आता है कि जाति पहले होती है? तभी तो लक्ष्य बना पाएंगे हम, तभी तो एम बना पाएंगे. क्योंकि मैंने बहुत बार सुना है, I've heard so many times, I want to do good for my caste people. And as someone has just shared a while ago, human comes first, right? Human comes first, so humanity should come first. So how would you recognize a human? What should be the traits of human? What should be the definition of human being? Have you ever thought about it? Goal setting it is so important. Like somebody said, I want to be a good insan. एक अच्छा इंसान होना चाहता हूं. तो what is अच्छा इंसान? Who can be अच्छा इंसान? Will it vary from person to person, place to place? Goal setting की बात है. अच्छा इंसान. I want to be a good human being. So human being, being human is already a good thing. So should I propose this? The goal of human being or the goal of individual, whatever you think. I'm proposing it, just check it. Check. Being good to everyone, do good things to others. In order to do good things to others, we must have, I propose this, shouldn't we have goodness within ourselves so that we can give goodness? There's one fundamental rule, natural laws. I'll be discussing many of the natural laws here in this platform, that whatever I have within myself, I will be able to give that only. If I am a frustrated person, I'll be taking out frustrations always. If I am an angry person, I will be taking out anger everywhere, every time. If I have some complex issues with my behavior, I would be actually weighing everybody with those issues only. If of complaints, I'm full of complaints, I will be complaining everybody. If I'm a happy person, I will be happy everywhere and I'll be distributing happiness. If I'm a solution-oriented person, I'll be giving solution to everybody. हाँ, yes, very nice कि हमें कई बार झूठ बोलना पड़ता है किसी के भले के लिए. So how can you define a person good or bad? Very interesting. झूठ क्यों बोलना पड़ता है? एक तो ये बात, हम ट्रांसपेरेंट क्यों नहीं हो सकते? Why do we lie? Why do we have to lie? हमको झूठ क्यों बोलना पड़ता है? क्योंकि हमने किसी को किसी तरीके से अलग तरीके से सोचा हुआ है, समझा हुआ है, और वो हम वैसे नहीं हो रहे. We give excuses. हम झूठ बोलते हैं. We commit mistakes. और आदमी को पहचानने के क्या तरीके हो सकते हैं? How can you define a person is good or bad? Very interesting. Isn't that right? Very interesting question. I had thought to take it on the 3rd or 4th day, but you've asked first day only. So मैं आपके सामने प्रपोज करती हूँ कि हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें, या आने वाले समय में हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई अ पर्सन, how to identify human traits in a person. Human traits in a person. तो human traits के लिए मैं एक अपनी प्रपोजल रख देती हूँ कि धीरता, वीरता, उदारता, दया, कृपा, करुणा. So धीरता is steady fastness. Do you have, Bhabhi ji, do you have all the English words of Dhita, Vita, Udatta, Daya, Kripa, Karuna? Vanna, Bhabhi?
No, Didi, I don't have it immediately, but I can just look for it in the Paribhasha Sahita English wali, and maybe I can type it out.
Yes, I have already with me. I've opened it.
Yeah.
So a person whom you want to know who's right, who's good, has to have a righteous marital relationship and kindness in work and behavior itself. And he should, इसको हिंदी में कहेंगे कि वो जो एक तो सबसे पहले है कि जो कमा रहा है वो ईमानदारी से कमा रहा है, स्वधन अपनी मेहनत से कमा रहा है, छल कपट से नहीं. इसको ये बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है डिस्कस करने का आगे जाके कि छल कपट किसको कहते हैं, हाउ वुड यू डिफाइन चीटिंग देन. सो चीट, इट इज लाइक you know how much to earn profit, how much more to earn, how much you want to earn, and then what is prosperity, समृद्धि किसको कहते हैं, what is prosperity. तो उस prosperity को पाने के लिए I should earn more than my requirement. See, if my family requirement is 75,000 rupees per month and I need to earn 1.5 lakhs rupees per month. Now I am striving to have a package of whatever amount, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs. So that access and that access and that access leads to blind. जैसे एक एग्जांपल और मैं आपको देती हूँ कि एक घर की कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट 700 रुपीज स्क्वायर फीट होती है, मान लीजिए. उसको बेच के हाउ मच वी सेल इन इट, 2000, 5000, 10,000 रुपीज स्क्वायर फीट. एज जितनी उसमें एसेसरीज लगती हैं, जितनी हम उस तरीके से उसको सजा सकें, पर बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट जितना उसका स्क्वायर फीट होगा उसके हिसाब से वो सब बनेगा. आई नो दैट. बट इफ एट ऑल 1000 स्क्वायर फीट भी, 1000 रुपीज स्क्वायर फीट भी आता है तो हम उसको अंधा कमाने में लगा देते हैं और उस पैसे का हम सुख नहीं ले पाते हैं, है ना. तो स्वधन हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है, अर्निंग हमारे लिए जरूरी है, साथ में कमिटमेंट टू द रिलेशनशिप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Commitment to the relationship and then to every relationship, to parents, to our own self, to our parents, to our siblings, isn't it right? And to the life partner or to the one we are choosing. Abhi 18 to 22 years may we might fall into relationship. We'll discuss this in the coming days, the relationship issues, but we might fall into. And the kindness in behavior. So कैसे आदमी को पहचाने कि कैसा आदमी जो है वो किसको हम अच्छा आदमी बोलेंगे, किसको हम बोलेंगे कि ये हाँ एक अच्छा आदमी है. तो जिसमें steady fastness हो, innate nature, steady fastness, because they are children from south and they need English versions also. So Dhita is called as a steady fastness in nature. Steady fastness to be right. Steady fastness to stick to the goal, to be right, to be a good human being, to be good in nature and to earn more than the requirement. Two basic things: to have solutions more than my thought process, and no fear of future, no hurt of past. Very important factor. No hurt of past, no fear of future, and living in the present, being solution oriented and earning more than required. So that is steady fastness. Then Virta is courage. Courage to be not, courage doesn't mean keeping a gun is very courageous. Courage doesn't mean that you have to have some post. Courage means you are standing for your own people to provide them justice, to bring good to them with your tan, man, dhan, from your body, from your soul, and from your wealth. we are being with them all the time. That is Virta. You know how to identify the righteousness within and righteousness for everybody. Justifying within and justifying every relationship and standing for them always. So, Dhita, Vita, and Udarta is generosity and kindness, graciousness, compassion. These are the characteristics of behavior of humanness. Manvita Poon Vyavhar. You can have pen and pencil with you and write yourself, because we'll be discussing these gradually in the coming time. So behavior of humanness, how to identify one who is actually being solution oriented. How many kinds of people you will be surrounded right now when you are studying and when you go out into the world. So how many kind of people you will be surrounded with, how many kind of people you have to face. So I would like to propose, when you are talking about how to identify about human traits, let me also propose you the definition of human being. So whatever definitions I'm going to propose here will be universal level. It will not vary from person to person. It will be of universal level. It will go for 750 crores of people, for everyone on earth. May it be wealthy, healthy, poor, sick, fair, darker, anybody. For the definition for all the human being, मानव की परिभाषा क्या है? So I'll tell you in the Hindi first. मनाकार को साकार करने वाला, मन में जो आकार आते हैं, यानी मुझे इतना खाना चाहिए, ऐसा घर चाहिए, ऐसे कपड़े चाहिए, ऐसा पर्स चाहिए, ऐसा चप्पल चाहिए, ऐसी गाड़ी चाहिए, ऐसा मोबाइल चाहिए, ऐसा टीवी फ्रिज चाहिए, ये सारे मतलब आहार, आवास, संग, रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान, ये। और समाज में आने जाने के लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए? समाज से कनेक्ट रहने के लिए, अपनी यूजफुलनेस, पर्पसफुलनेस को प्रूव करने के लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए? टीवी चाहिए, मोबाइल चाहिए, वाईफाई चाहिए, ट्रांसपोर्ट चाहिए, मोटरसाइकिल चाहिए, गाड़ी चाहिए, प्लेन चाहिए। सो दूरदर्शन, दूर श्रवण, दूरगमन, 3 चीजें। सो नाउ आई प्रपोज मानव की परिभाषा का सेकेंड पार्ट, मनाकार को साकार करने वाला, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट हुआ। सेकेंड पार्ट, मना स्वस्थता का आशावादी और उसको प्रमाणित करने वाला, मेंटल हेल्दीनेस के होप रखता है कि मैं खुश रहूं, कंटिन्यूअस खुश रहूं, कोई भी सिचुएशन रहे, किसी भी व्यक्ति के साथ, किसी भी स्थिति परिस्थिति में, किसी भी देश में, किसी भी समय में मेरी खुशियां रहें मुझके, मेरे अंदर, और मैं सबके साथ मेरा बिहेवियर एक सा रहे। ये मानव की परिभाषा है, जिसमें मेंटल हेल्दीनेस भी आ जाती है, जिसमें प्रॉस्पेरिटी भी आ जाती है। एंड फॉर द इंग्लिश version, human being, one who materializes his ideas and anticipates. So part 1 is one who materializes his ideas. Materializes means so that all the material things important for her living, his family is living, is completed by his own labor. He is working hard to earn more than the requirement of his family. So it is important to assess the requirement of my family, so I can earn more than that. And so that is why I need food. 3 things: food, house, and some accessories like clothes, like bags, like chappal, shoes, and all those things. So these things, and then to have my purposefulness for this society, because I cannot be happy otherwise. I have to prove myself, my purposefulness, that keeps me satisfied. So in order to prove my happiness in this society, I need to go from one place to other place. But these days, we need to go from one place to other place, not to prove my purposefulness, but to enjoy. Parents don't know even. They are sleeping and they are thinking their children are sleeping, and their children took the car away, drank, and met with an accident. And in the morning, the police is calling, "Oh, where's your son?" And mom and father is saying, "He's sleeping in the other room." The father, the police is saying, with regrets, I'm informing you, your son is in hospital. Please come and see. And there he finds that his son is no more. So we use these things which are social, which are given to us to fulfill the social cause. And we try to get status from it. गाड़ी से सम्मान पाना चाहते हैं, आहार से, खाना खाने से सम्मान पाना चाहते हैं, घर से सम्मान पाना चाहते हैं हम कपड़े, ब्रांडेड कपड़े और ये कपड़ा और वो कपड़ा, उससे सम्मान पाना चाहते हैं. We want to get respect from the brands we are wearing, from the house, from the car, from the TV, from the mobile we are wearing. So we are taking. And so the television or the transport system or the communication system is to prove my purposefulness in the society. So like I'm connected to all of you whom I have never met in my life. But you all are my own because we are tapestried together. I have my love, my affection, my feelings for you. And with this Wi-Fi and with this laptop, I'm fulfilling, we all are fulfilling this purposefulness. So the second part of the definition, the first part I would repeat the definition of human being, one who materializes his ideas, and the second part, and anticipates healthiness of mind and evidence is the same, is known as human being. Should I repeat that? One who materializes his ideas and anticipates healthiness of mind and evidences, the same is known as human being. So my healthiness of mind is an evidence of my behavior. And my behavior, like you have asked the question and I was answering, how can we access the points you have currently discussed? Yes, you are most welcome to the 7 days workshop, youth workshop. Because there we will discuss each and everything very elaborately. And if, are you from Hyderabad? Krina, Ramavat, are you from Hyderabad, beta ji? From Gujarat. Oh, Gujarat. A lot of workshops in Gujarat are going on. And you can see YouTube channel. Bhavi, can you post the link, Bhaiya or Bhavi, Hindi and English link for the YouTube channel of the introductory sessions of these. This is called as Jeevan Vidya. If you search Jeevan Vidya in YouTube, mine sessions are very intense ones. So my channel is Neeti Jain, in the name of Neeti Jain, where you would find lot of material for parenting, husband-wife relationship, and intense study program on the what I am taking right now. So what you are asking is how to understand how we can assess the points you have currently said. So to understand the अभी हम क्या होता है कि हम पेशेंस को दूसरों में ढूंढते हैं. अभी हमारी आदत होती है कि हम पेशेंस जो है वो दूसरे में ढूंढते हैं, हम विश्वास को दूसरे में ढूंढते हैं, हम सम्मान को we try to find. Yes, it's my pleasure, beta. It's all our pleasure. We try to find happiness in others. We don't try to find and search our own self. That happiness has to be within myself. It's my own identity. Identity crisis is not the bank balance. Identity crisis is not I'm earning or not. Identity crisis is my own human behavior. Where I'm trying to, the goal setting we are talking. So when I asked you in the starting session only, I asked you, are we targeting a particular amount? I want to be like falana person in the world. I want to be, to reach this, to be at some post, I want to be collector, or I want to be an IAS or whatever. Are we targeting to some designation, or are we targeting to be a human being? So if we become a human being, we already will fulfill the other part of prosperity. So there is a balance in it. Human being has to live with prosperity. Human being has to have solutions, universal solution. Human being is born to be happy, is striving for happiness. Every human being on earth is striving for happiness. The aim is happiness, and happiness lies in solutions, emotional healthiness, mental healthiness, and prosperity. And then the third part is, then first this is what is in my own self, mental healthiness for my own self, prosperity in the family, and purposefulness I fulfill in the society. And fourth part is being there, that nature is balanced. We are not destructing earth. We are not destructing jungle. We are not forest. We are not destructing animal. And we are always in harmony, in coexistence with each other. So this is the base of this philosophy. This is coexistential philosophy. I'm talking about understanding the existential purpose of human being, understanding the existential purpose of everything around me, whatever I see around me. So, understanding the existential purpose of my own self. If I understand my own self, I will understand all human beings, because they are all made of the same thing. They all have one, like I can call Jivan, which includes Atma, Buddhi, Vritti, Chetman, the components of Atma. So I'll say Man or Jivan. So it can be understood scientifically how Jivan, how Atma is made. And so the making of all human being is that one is soul, a conscious part, and one is body. So together we are human being. One is consciousness, one is human body, the body structure, and together we call ourselves as human body. And the purpose of the soul is again and again and again trying to fulfill that happiness, that longingness it has been taken a birth for. It has come in existence for. Am I going very difficult? Am I going very fast? So that we would discuss gradually the systematically from tomorrow onwards. The first we'll start with fear issues. Why do we do mistakes? Why do we commit mistakes? Why do we give excuses? Why do we get angry? And why do we get an impact of other people? किसी ने कहा ये पागल है, and we think अरे ये मेरे को पागल बोल के चला गया. Someone may accuse me and I really get worried about it. My parents say you're not performing well, and I really get worried about I'm not performing. I'm unable to manage stress. I'm unable to manage the emotional balance within me. So tomorrow onwards, we'll discuss all these points tomorrow onwards. Today I was talking about the philosophy I'm discussing is coexistential philosophy. It's called Madhyastha Darshan. What is the time right now?
7:28, Didi.
It is, yeah. I'll take for 2-3 minutes more, and then we can talk about the takeaways and the questions. Thank you for reminding, Bhabhi. Otherwise, I would have continued. So, coexistential philosophy, if you see, is about, it is about Madhyastha Darshan. Bhabhi, can you write? And can you share the website also? Please. So, ye coexistential philosophy is based on the existential purpose, and also it was propounded by Sri A. Nagaraj, and it is in the, just a minute. I'm sorry, that was my grandson. He was away for 2 days and he was excited to see me. Happy to see me. So this is in the syllabus of all the AICTE IIT, triple IIT, and polytechnic colleges, engineering colleges, NIT, and everywhere. And also, it is a part of happiness curriculum in Delhi. So they have just taken a small part of us. हमसे एक छोटा सा हिस्सा उन्होंने लिया. We are their partner, and they have named it as happiness curriculum. And you might hear the recordings of the Deputy CM Manish Sisodia Bhaiya, where he is addressing and saying Jivan Vidya Madhyas Darshan again and again in his notes, where whenever he's asked about the happiness, the roots of the happiness curriculum. So we run a school in Raipur called Abhibhavak Vidyalaya. The base of this coexistential philosophy is Amarkantak and is in Chhattisgarh. One of the institution is near Raipur district, Raipur Doruk, Achoti, Kumhari, Achoti, and the other is our school, which runs on this concept of consciousness development program. It is called as consciousness. We grow on high consciousness. We grow in high on understanding. So that is what the syllabus is from nursery, from KG to PG. That is we call, and every human being has right to grow in consciousness. That is what their desire is, and that is how they want to be. And if at this age of children, they understand their goal right now, at this age, life will be really smooth and good. Life will be very purposeful and beautiful. I have been taking workshop of so many children from so many years, and I've been understanding, I've been giving time to myself to convert into a good human. Otherwise, I was a very short-tempered person, and I used to even, not only short-tempered, but I used to exaggerate my temper, खींचती थी अपने गुस्से को, बहुत गुस्सैल थी मैं. If I can transform myself into a happy person, so everybody can. So the credit all goes to this coexistential philosophy of Shri A. Nagaraj ji from Amarkantak. Basically, he was from Mysore. We will be discussing all these, and I'm really fond of the youth and working with the youth, because reason why that I see a humanitarian future with all of you. That's what it is. So I'm so thankful for you, for whoever have attended this session, and we have discussed a bit about goal setting, that are we targeting our goals according to some amount of bank balances, or some designation, or some beauty contest, or being beautiful, or by physical. And then we have also discussed about the question about the goal, what and why are we doing what are we doing right now. हम क्यों अभी वो कर रहे हैं जो अभी हम कर रहे हैं, हम क्यों पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं. तो पढ़ाई हम अच्छे इंसान बनने के लिए करना चाहते हैं. तो अच्छा कौन है और इंसान क्या है. तो अच्छा क्या है, we discussed about good. What is good is, I did share Dhita, Vita, Udarta, Daya, Kripa, Karuna. Or good is being happy, and with happiness, living in prosperity. So this has to be clear as a goal. As a goal, being a happy person, mentally healthy, and being prosperous. Being happy in the family, performing all the duties and responsibilities out of happiness in the family, and being purposeful in the society, being able to have that eco-balance in the nature, which we are talking about lately a lot. And then how to identify human traits in person, we discussed about this. We discussed about the human definition also. So this is what, and tomorrow we are going to discuss again. I have proposed, I will be keeping myself everything. Oh yes, I had a lot of anger issues. Yes, I had a lot of anger issues, Betaji, and anger issue and complexes. Lot of complexes also because of my color, because I was not able to earn like my family in India. They are big good. They are earning, my cousins and my sisters, and everybody is well settled. And I have just started, I've just joined my home business, my son's business at this age, and I've just started to understand what the business is and doing business. Otherwise, I have been an anchor in All India Radio and Doordarshan, and I did have earned, but not like a regular, like a permanent earner, but I earned for my when my family needed that. So I had so many more complaints. I was full of complaints with every relationship. Every nook and corner of my मन was full of complaints. इसके लिए शिकायत, उसके लिए शिकायत, ये ऐसा क्यों है, वो ऐसा क्यों है, ये पति ऐसा क्यों मिला, ये घर ऐसा क्यों मिला. Every time I was full of complaints. But when I came to identify my own purpose, and when I identified that all human beings are with the same purpose, and I spent my 10 years, I left my All India profession, I left my anchoring profession, I left my news reading and all those professions, and I started just reading again and again this philosophy, and later I joined my school, Abhibhavak Vidyalaya, to take as a value conversation, value education. So I used to take Sarthak Samvad, value conversation classes with children from class 3 to 5, and discuss. And while discussing them, I used to take grammar also, English grammar, and then I have to leave the school because my elder daughter was very sick then, and I have to leave my classes. And later then I started studying this philosophy. It has got 14 books, studying at home only, and this will be 5th year in starting. So way back, I have started my sessions with children always, years back, maybe 15 years, 40 or more 10 years, 12 years back. I started taking women's sessions and children's sessions. Whenever I finished up children's session, I called the parents in their last day, and every child said, my parents need this, and then parents attended those sessions, and from there we continued around the year intense study session. So that was how it went all these years. And I had really a lot of I was not a very good person, I would, with a very bad past, a lot of hurt, a lot of anger issues, a lot of complaints, a lot of fear for the future. So uselessness all the time. So that was how I was. So now we would welcome questions or takeaways also. Takeaways of the sessions. You can open your mic. Vandana Bhabiji, can you help doing that with the children?
Yeah.
Anybody who want to say, or you can, it is not important that you switch on the camera. You can just write there, and I would read without taking your name also.
Meena Beta ji has unmuted herself. Would you like to ask a question, Meena Beta ji? Or would you like to share your takeaways?
By the time they are taking
Neelam Beta ji, would you like to share your takeaways from today's session?
कल हम जो लेंगे उसको बता देती हूँ मैं कि how to increase our checking ability.
जी दीदी.
है ना? तो checking ability हम अपनी receiving को कैसे बढ़ाएं? How we could increase our receiving? How to analyze my own self? Why do we commit mistakes? Why do we give excuses? What and why of anger? How to resolve anger issues, and why analyzing self. So the question is, really, ma'am, you had anger issue? No, that is already really. How to handle relationship anger management? Yes, that is what we are going to cover in the coming days. For tomorrow, I'm telling you, we are going to deal with fear also. So, Bhabhi, can you just write down the topics there? Tomorrow, we will deal with fear, analyzing self, and receptivity. Why do we commit mistakes? anger issues, handling self in relationships. So do we actually have to manage relationships, or do we have to manage our own self? If we go on managing the relationships, it will be really difficult. If we manage our own self, everything else is managed. Because the rule is there, जो जिसके पास होता है, वो उसको बांटता है. The rule, the nature, the thumb rule of the nature is one who, whatever one possesses, gives that only. A lemon will grow in lemon tree only. A mango tree will give mango only. So that is why we discussed frustrated person will give a frustration away, give away the frustration. Angry person will give away the angers. और हमें ना फिर क्या करते हैं, हम fear of being unsuccessful. When we are unsuccessful, when we get angry, हम दूसरे को दोष दे देते हैं कि ये इसके कारण हुआ. We blame others. I was right, but this person came and this happened wrong because of that person. So we need to understand all these things. Anybody want to share more takeaways? Yes, I can elaborate more on purposefulness. Of course, of course. Will that be possible for tomorrow only? Betaji? Tomorrow we'll deal with purposefulness, and that is why we will deal with how many kind of people we have to face while fulfilling this purposefulness. In the coming days, I will surely cover. That is why I'm writing. How many kind of people we face in our life while fulfilling our purpose? Are they the cause of blockage, or I am not able to handle them properly? So purposefulness is very important. That is what is the goal setting. Whatever we are discussing is goal setting. And in goal setting, we cannot set the priorities until unless we are fearful. We cannot set priorities and our goal until unless we are full of complaints and comparison. So we cannot complaints and comparison. We cannot fulfill our goal until and unless we are happy. We have mental healthiness. And goal, is it only earning money? Is it only going to some designation? Is it only being beautiful? Is it only wearing some branded clothes or buying some branded big vehicles? Are we buying cars for our own self, for purposefulness, or are we buying cars to have maintain eco-balance in the nature, to be purposeful in the society? What are we buying? The number of people in the house are less and the number of cars in the house are more. The number of people in the house is less and the number of rooms in the house are more. So if we are not happy, no luxurious room can give you happiness. Only our own mental healthiness. And how to manage relationships, how to live with prosperity, how to fulfill purpose of our life, how to have eco-balance. This can only make me happy. Remember this takeaway. No luxury of the world can make you happy for always. It can give you time being happiness. So set your goals accordingly, where we incorporate mental healthiness and prosperity, purposefulness in the society, and living in coexistence with nature. Four things. Mental, मेरी खुशियां, परिवार को समझना, संबंधों को समझना और आवश्यकता से अधिक मेहनत करके उतना कमा लेना, समाज में अपनी उपयोगिता को प्रमाणित करना और प्रकृति के साथ सामंजस्य स्थापित करते हुए जीना. ये पर्पसफुलनेस है, ये गोल सेटिंग है, या धन से सम्मान पाना, पद से सम्मान पाना, रूप से सम्मान पाना, गाड़ियों से, घर से, ब्रांड से, किस शहर में, किस मोहल्ले में रह रहे हैं उससे, बच्चा मेरा किस इंस्टीट्यूशन में, किस देश में पढ़ रहा है उससे सम्मान पाना. Don't know what is the time right now actually.
7:45.
7:45.
Okay, fine. Any more questions right now? Ashama, Yashwant Beta ji, I haven't heard from you. I would like to hear your voice. If you are hearing me, if you are hearing all of us, I'm glad for Tushar Beta ji for sharing, and Shruti Beta ji, I would like to hear from you also. Ruchirichika, Neelam Beta ji, thank you for sharing. Lalita ji, and all the others. I don't want to take the names. Oh, Vikas Beta is also there. So Vikas Beta ji, can you tell me, can you just turn your camera and mic and we welcome you there?
Okay,
And
okay.
how have you solved your anger issues?
जी
आजकल विकास बेटा जी मन जोड़ते हैं.
जी
Yes.
yes
So meet Vikas Beta ji. He's of your a bit more than your age group. He must be 30, I guess. But when he was with me, he was 24, 25?
26 actually.
26 actually. And now he has solved his anger issues to a great extent. थोड़ा सा आप
जी
शेयर करेंगे आप अपनी बात को?
जी first
हाँ.
of all, namaste my dear Neeti auntie ji and Vanna auntie ji. I'm so glad to meet you both and all other people
And
who
Sandeep
joined.
Bhaiya also is there as a technical
Yes,
support.
yes. Namaste Sandeep Bhaiya ji and namaste to all of you. जैसे कि आंटी जी ने बताया कि मेरा क्रोध काफी ज्यादा था, और जब से मैं मिला आंटी जी से, अध्ययन हुआ, मध्यस्थ दर्शन से जुड़ा, तो उससे काफी ज्यादा मेरे क्रोध के साथ साथ संबंधों में जो शिकायतें थी वो भी काफी ठीक हुई. और अभी अपने आप को मैं जो मेरा मन जो पहले बहुत ज्यादा विचलित था, इधर उधर भटकता था और शिकायतें जैसे थी मेरी लाइफ में, वो सारी चीजें धीरे धीरे मैनेज होते जा रही हैं. और जर्नी काफी खूबसूरत लग रही है. समझने का जो प्रोसेस है, अगर लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ भी रहा है तो ये समझ में आ रहा है कि उसको समझने से वो ठीक हो सकता है. So I am so glad to participate in this session today, and I also want to share something that my takeaway. Actually, I want to share my takeaway because when we जब हम बैठते थे क्लास में तो हम लोग रोज अपना टेक अवे बताते थे आंटी जी को 2 से 3 साल पहले. तो आज का मेरा टेक अवे ये है, we can only distribute what we have. If we have anger, we can distribute anger. If we have antipathy, we can distribute only antipathy. If we have vishwas, affection, love, we can distribute only that all things. So we can only distribute what we have. तो जो जिसके पास होगा वो उसी को बांटेगा. तो हमको अपने आप में देखने की जरूरत है कि अभी हमारे पास क्या है और क्या लाने की जरूरत है. तो मेरा आज का टेक अवे तो यही है आंटी जी, और बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत दिनों के बाद मैं क्लास ज्वाइन किया तो काफी अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
थैंक यू सो मच. लेट मी टेल यू, विकास बेटा जी रायपुर में हमारे घर के पास ही रहते हैं, और विकास बेटा जी का गुस्सा इतना अधिक था कि वो घर में वॉशिंग मशीन से लेके टीवी से लेके सब तोड़ दिया करते थे. तो अब वो कहते हैं इतने साल बाद में कि अब मैं जोड़ने का काम करता हूँ, तोड़ने का नहीं. So let me tell you what he says right now is, now he's trying to learn how to actually enjoy being together rather than destructing things. He's constructing his own self to grow high on conscious level. So he had such a great anger. And when he came to me, and everybody in his family used to say, Vikas beta has a lot of anger issue and he's always complaining and doing not this and this and this and this. And now I'm so happy to see him multiplying into a real good person. And if you, we could call also Someday we could call Shubha Pitaji if she's free, and she's also taking a lot of workshops for adults and help me taking the workshops also.
जी,
So really, thank you so much, Vikas Pitaji. Any more
thank you so
takeaways?
much, aunty. Thank you so much, Auntie ji, and everything is possible because of you all mentors with me at all time. So आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद और आप लोगों का साथ है, इसी से मैं इंस्पायर होता हूँ. तो वो साथ तो हमेशा बना रहेगा. थैंक यू सो मच. और
Yes.
अब आगे के टेक अवे लेते हैं.
Yes, yes. And Sandeep Bhaiya and Vandana Bhabi can also share the takeaways. I can also share the takeaway. I loved when children said that, what was that I said, Bhabi? Universal something, no? One of the, you shared the takeaways. I'm glad that one of you shared being good is for all.
Didi, these messages are directly to you, so we cannot see what the messages
Yeah,
are.
yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Yes, when being good to everyone, do things good, and being good to human being. I want human comes first. I want to be human. So my takeaway with children today is you all are really good bunch of people, good bunch of children whom I see. The best part is you don't have a long-lasting hurt, a bundle of hurt. You're not carrying a lot of hurts too. You don't have a big fear past like I'm having a big past, and I had a lot of complaints, and it took me such a long time to resolve all those complaints, to resolve all those hurt. So at least you all children have not to waste your energies in all those hurt. You might have some uncertainties of the future which we could resolve easily, and investing our own energy on our own self is the best part from this session. I could take away that children are saying they want to understand, they are not clear about their goal, and they want to understand what actually they want to be in their life. So coming up with clarity is very important. Vandana Bhabi or Sandeep Bhaiya, if you have any this thing, you can also share, and anybody on Facebook can also share, because dealing with youth, we as a parent, we normally interfere a lot with the youth, interfere in their life. Why you are doing this? Why you are doing this? Why you can't do this? Why you can't do this? As a parent, I see I have a lot of youth with different personalities, and I can classify each personality. There are only 5 type of human beings, only 5 type of human beings, and we are moreover surrounded by these 2 human beings, and we want to be like this, and we are in search of this, and when we get the opportunity to live with these people, we can't understand, we don't know how to understand what kind of people, like you have put up the question also, how to assess a person, how to understand he is a good person, what are the good traits of a human being. So in order to be a human being, we need 10 years. 10 years of committed efforts on self, on receiving self, not manipulating, receiving as it is, for my goodness, for my consciousness. And then let the progression be gradual, be slow, enjoy knowing yourself. We have tried to know everything, how the building will work, how the finances will work, how the car will work, how the computer will work, how falana machine will work, but we don't know how our inner will work. So children, this session for 18 to 22 years of age is specifically daily from 6 to 8 p.m. from today till Saturday is based on knowing your consciousness level and then setting your goal accordingly. So in the coming days, we will also assess how, that is what you call as patrata, yogyata, it is my receptivity and my understanding level, and then living it accordingly. So that is how we need to understand our own self first, our own flaws and goodness, our own multiplicationary changes that makes life so beautiful, that makes life complete. Then you might find different kind of people in your life, but you will not have complaints. You might have controversial situations in your life. You might have favorable situations in your life, but you will be in your natural self. So do we all children want to be like that? Forget about what parents are saying right now. Forget about the pressure of parents. We'll also try to cater, if time is enough, how to handle parents' pressure. We will also try to handle that. We'll also try to understand that, how to understand this, the pressure of parents, how to live with them. That is what the relationship was. So any more takeaways here? Any more takeaways? Neelam beta ji, any more? Richika beta ji, Tushar beta ji, Vashama, I want to hear from you, your takeaway. Kirina beta ji.
They all are still engrossed in their own thoughts.
Yeah, they might not be, so because we are going live on Facebook also, they might be afraid that people will hear them. So that is why I'm trying to motivate them to write here. And without taking their names, I would read out their questions. You have my WhatsApp number. Again, I could write my WhatsApp number to everybody. So that Bhavi, you can also write, Bhavin Bhaiya, if you want, you can also write your WhatsApp number to children.
Yeah.
So it would be better if you could WhatsApp also. And my name is Neeti, and our YouTube channel is Neeti Jain on YouTube, where there are a lot of things on parenting and different kinds, but they are more on intense study program of this coexistential philosophy. And we don't train the students, we train the professors and teachers in the colleges, their directors and everybody, so that if the parents actually understand the psychology, their own psychology, the upbringing, the parenting becomes easy. Guiding children becomes easy. And when the children, they fall in some problem, दलदल को क्या बोलते होंगे? How to hear more good thoughts tomorrow, ma'am. Hope to hear good one. Today was a nice interactive session. Thank you, Neelam Betaji. Thank you so much. I'm sorry because it was a good message, so I read your name. So if parents have the patience of not being complaining and let things flow, let things flow. If we are always complaining, if the parents are there in the group and the session, and if they are watching, give a space to children and stop interfering in their lives is what I could propose. That is what I do with different kind of children I have in home, with different situations they are in. So it is better that we assess their capability of understanding, of receiving, how much they can receive, and we propose children, that's all, and tell them this right is this, and this will be the result, wrong is this will be the result, and let them choose what they are doing. And gradually, you have to be, as a parent, you have to be there for always, even in their good and in their bad. You have to have that support. Only when a parent can give that support, when the parents are, mother and father, both are one in thought process and are mentally healthy. So don't worry if your children are really if your parents are really putting pressure on you because they don't know the goal setting. So don't worry, we will talk about how to manage them if we have enough of time. So I think I'm getting the signal from my team that it's 8 o'clock. So you can't. So yeah, hope to see you all tomorrow at 6 a.m.
Can keep listening to you.
Till then, stay tuned to yourself, stay happy,
6
stay content, and write
6
down
p.m.
your questions. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow at 6 p.m. sharp.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my team.